Perfect Laser. Our live show will begin now. I'm today's host, Bella. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser and CNC equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser field. Our main products include the laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine, laser welding machine, etc. In total, more than 20 series and 300 types. All of our machines have got CE, ISO, ROW certificate, and certified by the International Inspection Institute, such as TUV and SGS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technical achievement can reach the international professional level. As a result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and areas all over the world, including Germany, Japan, Russia, Korea, UAE, USA, and Brazil, and many other countries. And we have enjoyed very good reputations and feedbacks from all of our customers. And we have a very talented team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree, so we can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service to all of our customers. And our goal is very simple: to sell the high value products at a very good price, at very good prices, and to provide a professional and reliable customer service to you. Okay, so my dear friend, today I'm going to introduce our fiber laser cutting machines for all of you. Okay, so I can see many of our customers join us. Yeah, welcome. So welcome, colors. Yeah, well, and the name is really very hard to distinguish. Okay, hi everybody. Yeah, welcome. Okay, so now, yeah, hello Roboto, welcome. Okay, so at first you can see this is our complete gate. Yeah, complete gate. And the complete building here. So warmly welcome all of our customers to visit our factory, visit our company anytime at your convenience. Okay, so yeah, so in today's live show, I've prepared many good discounts for all of you. Yeah, so if you are interested in the fiber laser cutting machine, and also you have any questions or you have any ideas, you have any of your thoughts you want to share with me, so please send to me anytime, and then I would like to discuss based on your questions together. Okay, so if you contact us in today's live show, so later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And well, if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. And what's more, in today's live show, I can provide you a longer warranty time, so that will be 24 months warranty time for you. Okay, so please hurry up to catch the chance to contact me anytime. Okay. Yeah, today I'm going to introduce mainly these 4 models for you. Yeah, so at first you can see the first model, PEF6060. Yeah, so for this model, you can see it's a fully enclosed machine, and then the working area is 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. Okay. Yeah, another model is PEF3015. Yes, for this model, it has a bigger working area, so the working area will be 3,000 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters. Yes, and also if you want some other working area, you can also tell us, and also we can offer you the other models with the different working area. Okay. So, and also the PF3015 model is a very hot selling model in our company. Yeah, and also this model is mainly used for cut the metal plate. Yeah, metal plate material. Okay. So I would like to show some of the samples for you. Okay. Yeah, you can see for those flat cutting, flat. Yeah. Hello, Gabby. Welcome. Hello, Glenda. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, today we're introducing about the fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah, and you can have a look. This is one of the sample. This is a copper material. You can see the thickness is 3 millimeters. Yeah, 3 millimeters. This is a copper material. So for the fiber laser cutting machine, it can work for all kinds of metal materials, such as this kind of copper and stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, and brass. Well, all kinds of metal materials. Yeah. So this one is the copper material. Yeah. You can also have a look. So you can see all those cutting edges, and the cutting surface is very smooth. Yeah, it's very smooth. Okay, this is one of the samples, and also I would like to show some other samples for you. Yes, such as this one is also a butterfly design, and you can see that this is a stainless steel material. Yeah, this is 1 millimeter. Thickness is 1 millimeter stainless steel. Hi, Wu. Welcome. Okay, welcome to our live show. You can see this is yeah. The thickness is 1 millimeter. Okay. Okay, so for some other materials, such as this one, this is aluminum material, so it's very soft. Yeah, it's very soft. Okay, this is aluminum. You can see the cutting. Yeah, for the letters, numbers, and some for I mean even logos. Yeah, so this is aluminum material. Yeah, all the cutting surface is very, yeah, it's very neat and very comfortable. Yeah, and also this is another also the aluminum material, but this one is 2 millimeters. Yeah, 2 millimeters thickness. Yeah, you can see this one. Yeah, also you can have a look. For you. Okay. Yeah, this is the aluminum for 2 millimeters. And also for this one, yeah, I can have a look about the cutting surface. And the small one, yeah. Oh, I know for this one, there's some metal spare parts, some accessories. Yeah, even for some small parts cutting. This one is also a stainless steel material. Well, you can see the design. Yeah, stainless steel. Okay. And also this one, you can see, well, it's really have a very precise cutting for very small parts. Yeah, you can see there are many small curves, right? Oh, so many small curves. Yeah, small curves there. And this one, well, this is really a very very precise cutting. I like this one very, very much. You can see the, especially for the mouth and eyes and all the feathers. Well, it's really very precise, right? You can see even for those very small parts cutting, the fiber laser cutting machine will have a very good cutting effect. Yeah, this one. This is also stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel. Well, love. This is a love. Very beautiful design, right? And then for those one, yes. This is one time with different, cutting design, cutting shapes. Yes, this one. And also for this thick one, for this thick. This is a big thumb up, just like a like button, So if you, so please give us likes, At your right side, you can see the many. There is a like button like this, So please keep clicking, keep clicking. So could you please click the like button there? Please keep clicking all the time, So the more the better. Thanks very much for your support. You can see this is your big thumb up. Carbon steel, and also this one is also the carbon steel. Well, you can see this carbon steel 15 millimeters. You can see the cutting thickness. This is 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters thickness. This is carbon steel. And this one aluminum 3 millimeters. Wow, this is a Chinese word. Chinese word. Okay. Also another one. Oh, this one is very heavy. So this is also a carbon steel, 12 millimeters. Okay. This carbon steel 12 millimeters thickness. Okay, so just now you see all these are the flat marking. Okay, for flat marking or flat cutting. Okay, and also this kind of beautiful flowers. We can make it after folding. We can make it like this one, just like a rose. Okay. So this is this is for the flat cutting. Especially for PEF 3015. This is the flat cutting. Okay, so another model PEF 3015B. So for this model, it's compared with the PEF 3015. It can not only realize the flat cutting, the flat cutting, but also for the round, rotary cutting. Okay, so I would like to show you some round cylinder cuttings, just like this one. You can see this is a round, so this is a rotary tube, pipe, metal pipe. and also for the square one. This is also the square pipe with different diameters. Yeah, different diameters. Yeah, and also the round. Wow, you can see this one. This is really a very big diameter cutting tube. Okay, so for PF 3015, this is the it can not only support the flat cutting and also for those round rotary or the square tubes cutting. Okay, so for the last model PEF 2060 or PF 3080. So 2060 and 3080, they have different working areas. Yeah. Okay, so for the PEF 2060 or 3080 model, it's mainly it's only used for cutting those tubes or pipes, those rotary or the square pipes, and also those square pipe or tubes. So for those four models, PEF 6060, it has a smaller working area, and also and it's only for the flat metals cutting. And while for PE 3050, this model has a relatively bigger working area, and also it's also used for cutting the flat plate. While for the PEF 3015, 15B, it can not only support for the flat cutting and also the round or the square tubes for pipes cutting. While for another model, PEF 2060 model, it's mainly used for the round or the rotary cuttings. Okay, so this is the general introduction about those four models. Okay. Yeah, you can also have a look about based on this photo. You can see the many different cutting samples here. Yeah, you can see with different thickness, different materials, and different design, different shape. Okay. Yeah, so for the since the fiber laser cutting machine, it can cut for all kinds of metal materials. Yeah, so it's widely used for different fields and industries, such as the hardware, lamp, car, mechanics, kitchen utensils, and bodybuilding. Many industries related to the metals, can be used for the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay. So, okay, right now, let's start discussing from this model. This is the PEF 6060 model. Okay. Hello, my dear friend. Hello, welcome. Welcome to our live show. So please remember to follow us by clicking the follow button there. To subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's start from this model PEF 6060. Okay. You can see it's a fully enclosed model, and working table and the cutting head is all included in the machine, inside of this case. Okay, so it's a very environmentally friendly model. This is the main structure. You can see inside of the machine, it has the cutting head. Yeah, this is a separate PC system. And also inside of the machine, it has the working platform with the double and also the working platform. On two sides of the working platform, it has the double rack driver. Okay. Now everybody please enjoy the working video of this model, okay? You can have a look about how does this machine work. Yeah, this is the PC control system. So we will install the software into this PC system, and then we can operate with the mouse, with keyboard, everything there. So everything is ready. We can use it very convenient and very easy to operate and to control and adjust the parameters based on this software. And then the fiber laser cutting machine, it will start working based on what we requested in the software. Now you can see it start working. Yeah, so through the window, through the observation window, we can see the working process of this machine. Yeah, right now you can see it cutting the flowers is cutting a flower, okay. Yeah, a kind of lotus. Yeah, lotus. Hello, Owen. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome. So this is the cutting result. Okay, just like this kind of flowers. Yeah, just like this kind. But it's not exactly the same. And also we can fold it. We can fold it, this flower, to this kind of. Yeah, right now it also works on the. It works on some letters and numbers cutting. Okay, this is the working result at last. Yeah, you can see this one is very similar with the one in my hand. Yeah, very similar with this one, right? With the letters and numbers there. Okay, so this is the working video of the first model. So for this small-sized fiber laser cutting machine, it's also widely used for cutting all kinds of metal materials, such as carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, copper, and aluminum, and also silicon steel, and many other kinds of metal materials. And so it's widely applied in the sheet metal processing. Yeah, such as space flight, electronics, electrical appliances, subway parts, automobile, machinery, and precise components, ships, elevator, household appliances, gifts and crafts, tool processing, adornment, advertising, metal flooring processing, for various manufacturing process industries. Yeah, so many different industries and fields related to the metal part cutting. will be can be applied for the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay. So now let's have a look about this form. Let's have a look about the cutting thickness. So take example for 1000 watts, 1000 watts laser power, it can cut for the maximum thickness for the carbon steel will be 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters, and also for the stainless steel and aluminum alloy will be 5 millimeters. Okay. Now let's take a look about the 2000 watts. 2000 watts laser power, it supports the carbon steels cutting for 20 millimeters maximum, maximum thickness. And also for the stainless steel, aluminum alloy will be 8 millimeters, 8 millimeters thickness. Now let's have a look about the 6000 watts. 6000 watts, the maximum cutting thickness for carbon steel will be 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters. That will be very thick. So 24 is double. So you can see this one is 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters thickness. So 24 will be double of this one. Double of this this kind of thickness. Hello, my dear friend. Hello. Cannot read this name. Hello, welcome. Yes. So for the stainless steel and aluminum alloy, the maximum cutting thickness will be 14 to 16 millimeters. Okay. Now this is the cutting speed. Cutting speed with the auxiliary gas. So we can see 1000 watts power for the stainless steel. For example, 1 millimeter stainless steel. By the nitrogen cutting, it will the cutting speed will be 17 to 21 meters per minute. 21 meters per minute. Okay, and also for the 5 millimeters, 5 millimeters carbon steel. 5 millimeters carbon steel. Okay. With the oxygen, oxygen cutting, it will be 1.7 to 2.1 meters per minute. Okay. In fact, it has a very fast cutting speed, right? Very fast cutting speed. Okay. So now let's take a look about the machine details. First, this is the laser source. So inside of the machine, this laser source has already included inside of the machine. So we use the well-known brand such as Ricus, IPG, Max, those well-known brand, to ensure the high quality and high cutting precision and cutting speed. And also make sure the long-term using of this machine. Okay. And number 2 is the laser cutting head. So the laser cutting head, it has a automatic focusing function. So it can automatically adjust the distance between the cutting head and the cutting object. Okay. Hello, Ron. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. Right now we're discussing about the fiber laser cutting machines. Fiber laser cutting machines. This machine. Right now you can see this is some machine details. Details of the PEF 6060 model. So this is the number 3. This is the working platform. Working platform. For PEF 6060, the working platform, the working area will be 600 by 600 millimeters. Okay. Okay, so number 4, this is the cutting observation window. So since this model is a fully enclosed, with a cover, fully enclosed cover machine, so we can see through the observation window to detect the working process of the machine. Yeah. So with this observation window, there is no injury and also to the eyes. Yeah. And also it will be very environmentally friendly. Okay. Yeah. Number 5. This is the PC control system. It's another separate part. Yeah. Separate part. So you can see with the mouse. Wow, Ron, thanks very much for following. Thanks very much. Yeah. And also, in March, so next month, right? Yeah, we will hold some other live shows. So at that time, we will you can see all of those real machines and works on the real samples directly. And also, at that time, we will provide you the very attractive promotion policy and also very special gifts for all of you. Okay, so thanks very much for following, and also I hope to see you there. I hope to see you soon. Okay. Yeah, and so this is the PC control system, right? So you can see the screen there and the keyboard, and even the mouse. Everything's ready there. So hello Daniel, welcome. So right now we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah, you can see this is some details of the PEF 6060 model. Yeah, and with a separate PC control system, we can operate with the mouse, with everything's ready there. So it will be very convenient and very easy to use and to control and to operate on this machine. Okay. Yeah, number 6. This is the servo motor. So all of those machines need the servo motor to drive the movement. Yeah. So all the servo motor also we make sure the precise positioning, okay, and make sure the movement operates smoothly, okay. Yeah, number 7. This is the rack, double rack. You can see it's beside on the 2 sides of this working table. Yeah. So it will ensure the cutting precision. Yeah, ensure the cutting precision and make sure the fast cutting speed. Okay. Number 8. This is the control system. Yeah, so we adopt NC Studio Control System. So it has a very powerful edit function and also can meet a wide range of cutting requirements. Okay. Yeah. Number 9. This is a collector. Okay, just like a drawer, so we can pull it out and also we can pull it in. Okay. So this is collector. It will collect the wasted pieces after cutting. Yeah, metal pieces after the cutting. It will be collected into this collector, and then we can take it out easily. Okay. So number 10. This is the water chiller. So water chiller is water cooling machine. It's used for cooling and releasing the heat during the working process, during the machine's working process, so that it will keep the machines works in very stable, very stable conditions and stable status, and also it will detect the working temperature automatically. Okay. Yeah, this is the water chiller. Okay. So my dear friend, this is the introduction about the first model. First model is an environmentally friendly model, right? It's enclosed, a fully enclosed machine. So my dear friend, if you are interested in this kind of machine, please tell me right now. Yeah. So that if you tell me right now, and if you contact us in today's live show, later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. While if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay, and what's more, in today's live show, I can provide you a longer warranty time. So I can provide you 24 months warranty time. That is absolutely 2 years. Yeah, it's really a long time. Okay, so my dear friend, hope you can hurry up to catch the chance and contact me right now. Okay, and also please remember to follow us by clicking the follow button there. Yes, upside to your mobile phone. Okay, upside to your mobile phone, you can find the follow button. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, just like this one. Yeah, you can find the follow button there. This is a follow button, so you can click it and subscribe our channel, so you will not miss our live show next time. And for more machines introduction, okay. And also please give us likes at the right side. Yeah, you can find the like button. So please keep clicking. Whoa. It's noisy, right? Okay, sorry. Okay, where's the like button? Okay, here is it. Okay, this is also a like button, right? This is a like button. Please click it. Okay, please click it. Thanks very much for your support. And you know, this one is also cut by the fiber laser cutting machine. So you can see all the cutting edges and the cutting surface. It's very neat and very smooth, even for those very thick cutting. Okay, so this is the introduction about the first model PEF 6060. Okay, and today I'm going to introduce these 4 models for all of you. Okay. So just now, this is the first model PEF 6060. So, are you interested in this kind of machine? Yeah, are you interested in this kind of machine, or do you have any questions you want to ask about these machines? Okay, then next, I would like to introduce the second model in detail for you. Yeah, the second model is PEF 3015. For this model, is a very hot selling model in our company. Yeah, and also it's mainly for the flat plate cutting. Okay. Yeah, from the outlook, from the structure, we can see that it's also mainly composed by 2 parts. One is the control cabinet, yeah, control system. And another one is the machine body with the working platform, and also with the cutting head. Okay. Yeah, you can see the main structure, the control cabinet, and also the laser optical bridge, and material feeding wheel, and the laser cutting head. Now please enjoy the this is the working video, please. You can see the structure and also the working of this machine. Hello, Gabriel. Welcome. Red Dawn. This is the cooling, yeah, Dsp controller. So our engineer is operate, yeah, and also this is the control cabinet with the software in it, or PC control system. So we can operate with the mouse, yeah, with the keyboard, everything is ready. Then it start working. Well, this time it will has very precise cutting. You can have a look. Yeah, this part is a very precise cutting effect. Wow. Yeah, it's very similar with the one in my hand. Yeah, it's like this one, right? Yeah, very similar with this one in my hand, you can see. Well, right now this one is just like a fish, right? As we know, this one can use for open the beer cover. Okay, open the beer cover. Wow, right now it's cutting out some letters, and I think it's the perfect laser. Okay, perfect laser. Okay, it's this one. Exactly, this one in my hand. Yeah, so we can see the cutting process. Well, it's gonna finish. Yeah, exactly the same with the one in my hand, right? P8, hi, welcome to our live show. Yeah, you can see this is the cutting result. Yeah, cutting sample in my exact same. Well, you can see it's very shiny. Yeah, after cutting, it's very shiny. Okay, so this is the working video for PEF 3015. Okay. Yeah, so for PF 3015, it can also cut all kinds of metals. Yeah, all kinds of metal materials, such as carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, yeah, and brass, and for even for those very thick carbon steel cutting. Yes. Okay. So for the fiber laser cutting machine, it can widely used for all kinds of metal materials, and also all the industries, all the fields related to some metals cutting, yeah, such as the body building, the construction, yeah, and also the ship, subway, well, and even the space flight, well, all kinds of all different industries. Okay. Now we can have a look. Let's have a look about the details of this model. Yeah. Number one, you can see this is the working platform. Okay, working platform. So this one, the working area will be 3,000 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters. Yeah, for this model, this is the working area. Okay, and for this machine, this machine bed, it has a very heavy loading, and it's very strong and stable. Since we adopt the 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters by 6 millimeters thick square metal tube, yeah, and also by once molding, yeah, once molding. Okay, so it will be very stable and strong and heavy, and have a very big loading capacity. Okay, and also it will not get distorted even for a long time using. Yeah, number two, this is the cutting head. Yeah, cutting head. So for this cutting head, it has a dynamic and automatic focusing and tracking function. So even the plate, the whole plate, sometimes the plate is not that flat. Yeah, for the uneven plate. Yeah, uneven plate. The cutting head will automatically adjust the distance. Yeah, it will automatically track the surface of the plate. Yeah, and the surface of the cutting object, and also automatically adjust the distance between the cutting head and the cutting surface. Yeah, so this is the automatic and dynamic focusing function. Yeah, focusing and tracking function of this laser cutting head. Okay. Yeah, number three, this is the laser source. Yeah, laser source. All of our fiber laser cutting machine, we use the well-known brand laser source such as Rika's IPG Max. Yeah, to make sure the machine works in a very good quality. Yeah, with a very fast cutting speed and a high accuracy of the cutting. Okay. And also make sure the machine works for a long time, have a long lifespan. Okay, so number four, this is also the sawtooth, sawtooth type working table. Yeah, it's very stable and have a very heavy holding ability. Okay, so number five, this is the Servo Motor. Yeah, Panasonic. This Japan imported Panasonic Servo Motor. So it will increase the cutting speed and the stability. Okay, and make sure the high accuracy of the cutting. Okay, so number six. Number six is the linear guide wheel. So this is a Taiwan-made high-wing linear guide wheel. So it will make sure the cutting head moves on the linear guide wheel smoothly, and to make sure the cutting result will be very accurate and have a very high precision. Okay. So number seven, this is a material feeding ball design. Yeah, ball design. So since it's round, yeah, it's a ball. So when the material comes through the wheel, this roller, so it will be much easier to fit the material to the machine, to the working table. Okay, and it will not scratch the plate, scratch the material. Okay, this is a very reasonable design. Number 8, this is a separate controlling cabinet. Okay, so with the industrial PC system in it, and also the mouse, keyboard, everything is ready there. So we will install the cutting software into the machine, and then we can operate on this control cabinet directly. Okay. Yeah, and number 9, this is the water chiller. Yeah, so this is a water cooling machine. It will cooling the machine during the working process, and also release the heat during the machine's working, and also detect the machine's temperature. So to make sure the machine works in very comfortable and stable status, and also make sure the cutting cutting effect in a very good, in very high precision. Okay. Yeah, number 10. This is the Dsp Remote Controller. So with this remote controller, we can take it in front of the machine and in front of the machine body, and the back side of the machine, left, right, everywhere around the machine, to adjust and to operate the machine, and to adjust some parameters, and also adjust the working areas easily. So with the Dsp Remote Controller, it will be much easier and much more convenient to operate anywhere. Okay, so this is the second model, PEF 3015, yes. So for this model, it's a very hot selling model in our company, yes. So if you are interested in this kind of machine, please tell me, please let me know. And if you have any questions, please also feel free to contact us and discuss with us. Thanks very much, and also please remember to follow us. Could you please follow us by clicking the follow button there, so you will find us very easily for more live shows next time. Okay, and then also in near future you can see the real machines. All of those real machines works on the real samples at that time. Okay, and also in today's live show, I also bring you some good discount. So if you please order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And while if you order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay. And also in today's live show, I can also provide you a longer warranty time. Hello, Louis. So that it will be 24 months warranty time, absolutely for 2 years. It's a really very good chance, right? Okay, so till now I've already introduced the PEF 6060 model and another model, PEF 3015 model for you. Okay, so you can see these two models are mainly for those flat plate cutting, flat plate, such as all those flat with different thickness. This one is the copper steel. And also this also very thick, 12 millimeters carbon steel thickness cutting. Welcome, Isa. Welcome. And also those, just now this one you see through from the broken video by PEF 3015, right? This is a perfect laser cutting. And a very precise, very small curves. Small curves cutting, you can see. Well, this is really a very precise cutting. With different shapes, different designs. And the stainless steel 1 millimeter. Copper 3 millimeters. Well, 3 millimeters. So you can have a comparison. These two, both of them are butterfly design. Well, we can have a comparison between for the thickness. So you can see the thickness is different. Okay. Thickness is different. Okay. So another one, very small part design, small part cutting. Well, this one, I like this eyes. I like the eyes very much, and also the feathers, because it's very small. Very small, but the fiber laser cutting machine also can have a very high precise cutting for it. Also this one. Well, we can look at very small curves there. Okay, so all of those are the flat cutting. Flat plate cutting, okay, for all kinds of metal materials, okay. So now next I will introduce another model, PEF 3015B. This model, it can not only cut for those flat plate, but also for the round, also square, the tubes or pipes cutting, with this rotary fixture there. So we can see this is the outlook, and structure of this machine. You can have a look about the main structure, the control system, the cutting head, Dsp controller with the PEF 3015, right? And another one, rotary cutting system. Okay, I would like to show you the working video. Please enjoy it. This is the rotary fixture there. Gordon, hello, welcome. This is the rotary fixture there. Right now you can see this is the flat cutting. Hi, my dear friend. Hello, welcome. This is a round tubes cutting. this one. And also the very big one. Yeah, exactly the same with the one in my hand, right? Yeah, the same one. And also the tubes, the small tubes. So you can see from the video, right, not only for the flat cutting and also for the round or some of these square tubes, yeah, tubes cutting. Okay, so this is the working video of this model. Yeah, you can see the different cutting samples here. Different shapes, the square one, square pipe, rotary pipe, with different designs. Hi, my dear friend. Hello. Hello. Okay, so now also take a look about the details. Yeah, for this machine, the details almost the same with the PF3015, right? And only the rotary part is the different. Yeah, the same 5 laser source. Yeah, Recus IPG Max laser source. To make sure a very long lifespan of the machine. Yeah. And another one is the laser cutting head. Yeah. So the laser cutting head for those, especially for those round, cutting, because it's not flat. Yeah, it's not flat surface. So with the dynamic focusing function, the laser cutting head, it will automatically track the surface of the of each part and automatically adjust the distance between the surface and the cutting head. Yeah. So this is a dynamic focusing system of this machine. Okay. Yeah, the servo motor. Yeah. Panasonic servo motor, so it has a very positioning accuracy, okay, and also very high cutting speed, very high cutting speed. Another part is the rotary fixture, the rotary cutting system. Yeah, so for those round or the square pipe, it will fix the pipe tightly and then feed to the material, feed to the cutting head for the cutting. Yeah, this is the LCD controller. Okay, so for this machine, it also have two ways to control the machine. Yeah, one is through the control cabinet. Can operate with a mouse, with a keyboard, and with the LCD screen there. So we will install the software into the machine, and we can operate easily. Yes. While for this model, also we have the Dsp Remote Controller, so we can use this remote controller and then stand beside the machine, in front or back side of the machine, to to detect the working area. To detect the working area exactly, and then we can have a relatively setting through this remote controller. So it will be very easy and very convenient for the engineer to operate in any directions. Yeah, the same auto feeding ball design system. Yeah, design. So with this ball design, since it's round, yeah, it's like a roller, like a ball. So it will be very easy for feeding the materials to the working table. Yes, and then it will not scratch the material, scratch the plate. Yes. And number 8, auto lubricating device. The gear rack can be automatically lubricated. Yes, ensure the rack's precision and the long-term using. Okay. Number 9, this is the water chiller and also water cooling machine. It will cooling the machine while the machine's working process, and also release the heat, and it will we can see the temperature through this display. Yeah, and it will make sure the machine works in very comfortable and in a certain temperature to make sure that machine works in right status, right state conditions, and also make sure the machine with a very high accurate cutting efficient. Okay. So why choose perfect laser cutting machine? Okay. Let me introduce the advantages of this machine. Okay. So for number 1 is the high quality. For the fiber laser has a smaller focus diameter and high work efficiency, high accuracy, and high cutting speed, yeah, and also very good cutting quality. Yeah. So number 2 is the cutting speed. So the cutting speed is more than 60 meters per minute. Yeah, 6 meters per minute. Okay. Number 3, the stable running. Yeah, we adopt the Ricas, IPG Max, or also those well-known brand laser source to make sure the stable performance and the lifetime can reach to 100,000 hours. Okay. The next one is the low cost. Yeah, it's a very energy-saving machine and also environmentally friendly. Number 6, yeah, free of maintenance. With the fiber optical transmission, no need the reflect lens without the optical adjustment, so it will save the maintenance cost a lot. Number 7, the easy operation. So for the fiber cable transmission, no adjustment of optical path, so it's very easy to operate. Super flexible optical effects. It has a very compact design, comply with flexible production requirements. Okay. So this is the third machines. Okay, my dear friend, I have already introduced 3 models for you. So which one are you interested, or are you in need of those fiber laser cutting machines? Okay, so if you are interested in this kind of cutting machines, and also if you have any questions, you can let me know anytime, and you can discuss with me for any of your questions. Okay, and also, yeah, if you contact us in today's live show, so later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount, and well, if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. So that is a very good chance, my dear friend. And also, I can provide you a 24 months warranty time. So that is not absolutely 2 years. It's really a long time. So I hope you can hurry up to catch the chance, okay? Yeah, so right now I have already finished those three models. Yeah, those three models, PEF 6060, PEF 3015, and PEF 3015B model. Okay, so at last is the PEF 2060 or PEF 3080. So for 2060, and the working area will be 2000 by 600 millimeters, and while at 3080 will be 3800 millimeters. Okay. Now this is the outlook of this machine. You can have a look. Also the control cabinet, and another part is the machine body. Yeah. So for this machine is mainly used for the rotary, for the round or the square pipes type. For this one, you can see this one. Yeah, this is a relatively smaller diameter, okay, square pipe. Yeah, I also have another one. This is a big diameter. Okay, you can have a look at this big diameter. Yeah, this is small, it's big. Small and big diameters. And also for the round pipe, you can see this is a relatively smaller pipe, round pipe. Yeah, and I also have a very big one. Oh, that's not very big. Yeah, so very big diameters too. Hi, hello. Hamaro. It's really very hard to read. So this is the main machine, main structure. You can have a look. First one is the optional panel, that control cabinet, and the machine body with the rotary fixture, the head, laser cutting head, and the rotary fixture. Yeah, rotary fixture. Okay. Yeah, there are some cutting samples by this machine. You can see all the square pipe with different diameters. Also round pipe, and also different thickness. Yeah, different thickness. So my dear friend, let me show you the working video of this machine. Yeah, please enjoy it. Then this round tube, yeah, this one in my hand. Yeah, this is the remote controller. As you can start, pause, or adjust the cutting area. Round, square. exactly the same with my hand. Okay, please enjoy the video once again. Hello, Santiago. Yeah, you can see with the rotary fixture there, it can turn around, and then it will realize the cutting. Okay, this is the cutting samples there. Okay, so now let's take a look about the details of this machine. Yeah, the very heavy loading machine body, and it's very strong and stable. Has a very big loading capacity, and also it will not get distorted even for long-term using. Fiber laser source. Yeah, this laser source. All of our fiber laser cutting machine, we adopt those well-known brands such as Ricus, IPG, Max, to make sure the good quality and long-term using of the machine, and also make sure the high cutting speed, cutting accuracy, high precision. Okay. Number two, this part is the rotary fixture. Just now you see through the video, right? Yeah, so it will tightly fix the round or the square tube, and fit the materials during cutting. So to realize the continuous cutting. The cutting head, also it has the same with the other models. Has the automatic, and dynamic focusing and tracking function. So it has the dynamic sensor in it. So it can automatically track the surface of the material, and then automatically adjust the distance between the material and the cutting head. So to realize the high precise cutting. Okay, so this is the laser cutting head and the red light pointer. So for the red light pointer, hello Glenda, welcome. Yeah, right now we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. So this model, the details you see, this model is mainly for the pipe and round or the square pipes cutting. Yeah, for all kinds of metal materials. Okay. With the red light pointer there, we can see through this red light pointer that about the working area, the cutting area, or the cutting position exactly. Hello, menu. Hello, welcome. Yeah, so number 8, you can see the DSP control panel. So this machine also have 2 ways to control it. Now one is the operate on the machine, with the software and in it we can use the mouse and the keyboard, everything to adjust the settings as we need. And then we also, hello Austin, hello, and also with the DSP remote controller, then we can realize the remote control for the machine and adjust the cutting errors, or yeah, it's for easy and for easily to operate the machine. It will be very convenient. Okay, so since the model PEF 3015, 3015B, and also just now this model PEF 2060, both of this model has the functions to cutting all those round or the square pipes, yeah, and now let's have a look about the diameters, okay, available. So we have different chuck diameters to support the different diameters cutting. So for example, the chuck diameter 160 millimeters, yeah. So it can support the square pipe cutting for 130 to 140 millimeters, while for the round pipe it will support for 160 millimeters. Okay, and for 220 millimeters chuck diameter, it can support the 200 millimeters square pipe and 220 millimeters round pipe. While for another big diameters, 350 millimeters that chuck diameter. So it's not available for PEF 3015B, yeah, only available for PEF 2060. So for 2060 model, the cutting diameter support for the square pipe will be 330 to 340 millimeters, while for the round pipe, it also can support for the 350 millimeters. So for the round pipe cutting, the cutting material, can be exactly the same with the chuck diameters. And while for the square pipe or tubes cutting, it should be smaller than the chuck diameter. Okay. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah, now this is the machine operating cost. Yeah. So for the fiber laser cutting machine, we use normally with oxygen or nitrogen cutting as the auxiliary gas. Yeah. Now let's take a look about the machine operating cost. For example, for the machine power 1,500 watts. Yeah. And the total cost for the by the air cutting will be $4 per hour. Yeah. And then the oxygen cutting will be $3 per hour. And then while nitrogen cutting, it will be $7 per hour. Okay, so compare with this three, we can find that the cutting by oxygen will be economical, right? And also by nitrogen cutting, it will be a little cost a little more. Well, now let's have a look about the cutting effect by these two different gas. So from this photo by left, yeah, you can see this is the oxygen cutting sample. Yeah, oxygen cutting sample. And also compare with the right one. The right one is nitrogen cutting sample. Okay, nitrogen cutting sample. So we can see that hello Martin. Yeah. So we can see that the nitrogen cutting sample is much more shiny and sparkling, yeah, compared with the oxygen cutting. So you can see the oxygen cutting, the surface is a little dull, right? And so if you want to make some cutting sample or some test, you can use the oxygen cutting. While if you want to those sparkly and shiny cutting efficiency, so we suggest to use the nitrogen cutting as the auxiliary gas. Okay. Okay, so about the after sales service. Okay, so the after sales service, normally we offer 12 months warranty time. Hello, Kane. Hello, welcome. Yeah. Today we are introducing our fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah, for all kinds of metal materials. Yes, such as this kind of. I like this one very much because it's a like button. Yeah, so you can click the like button at your right side. Yeah, that is a like button. You can please click it, and it means much to us. Okay, thanks very much for your support. Okay, so this is the one of the cutting, and also very small curves, precise cutting like these. Yes, and also other designs. The stainless steel 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a star. Beautiful. For the big one, this is the carbon steel 15 millimeters. Wow, 15 millimeters carbon steel. Okay. Yeah, well, others, aluminum cutting, perfect laser. Yeah, so during the warranty period, we will offer you a full range of solutions for any of your questions. Yeah, and such as the installation, adjusting, and operation, installation, maintenance. Yeah, anything you are in doubt. Okay, and also we will offer you the software, cutting software. Okay, as you need. Yeah, all of our machines, hello Robert. Yeah, all of our machines have a very strict quality control system. So all of our machines will have a 48 hours running test and 72 hours aging test. Okay, to make sure that our customers receive the machine with a very good quality, yeah, with a very good quality and very good status and the conditions. Okay, yeah, this is the customer. Some of our customers visit our factory and take the photos. So, my dear friend, today I have introduced mainly those 4 models for you. Yeah, first model PF6060. So this is a fully enclosed machine. The working area will be 100 by 100 millimeters. Okay. Yeah. Now, at last, let me show you the working video of this machine one by one. Yeah, this is the first model PF6060. Yeah, for this model, you can see it has a separate control cabinet. Yeah, we operate by this control system. Now we can see the working. We can set the working hours by this by the software, and then the machine will works based on the software, and start cutting, and then we can see the working process through the observation windows. Yeah, this is a kind of flower, a lotus, a very beautiful lotus. Okay. Yeah, and I also have some similar one here. Yeah, you can see just like this one. Yeah. And then after folding, you can make it as just like these. After folding, just like this. Yeah, so this is a very beautiful flower, and then it will continue works for another cutting for some letters and the numbers. Oh, sorry, it's noisy, right? Yeah, very similar like this one in my hand, with the letters, numbers, yeah. So this is the first model PF6060. The working area will be 600 by 600 millimeters. Okay. Yeah, so after the first model, I've introduced another model, PF3015. Yeah, for this model is a very hot-selling model in our company, and the working area, it will be 3,000 by 1,500 millimeters. Okay. Yeah, so through the video we can see we have an overview of this machine. So this machine mainly composed by two parts. One is the control system, and another is the main machine body. Yeah, this is the operate on the control cabinet with the software in there. We can see one time it will finish all those different shapes, different design cutting. Okay, I also have this one. After cutting, it will be like this. Yeah. And with a small difference, also a small difference. Very similar, but yeah, no, a little difference, right? Also some difference, not exactly the same, but very similar with this one in my hand. I like this curves cutting. I think this is really amazing. How does it realize those very small parts cutting? Just like a needle. Oh, it's very small. Yeah, this is a fish, but it can use it for open the bottle. Yeah, open the bottle cover. Yeah, beer, such as beer, cover. So at last, it will have a perfect laser cutting. Okay, perfect laser cutting. Right now, this one in my hand is aluminum material for 2 millimeters. Yeah, 2 millimeters. Wow. The last letter R. Okay, finished. Yeah, so at last you can see very soon. Wow, so this one is exact the same with the one in my hand, right? Very nice. Yeah, very nice, very shiny cutting. Okay, so this is the second model. Yeah, for these two models, mainly are only used for the flat plate cutting. Well, for this model right now, this model, it's mainly it can not only used for the flat cutting, but also for the round or the square tubes or pipes. Yeah, or the cylinder. Hello, Kirill. Hello, welcome to our live show. Yeah, today we're introducing about the 5 laser cutting machine. Right now you can see based on this working video. Now this machine, it can not only cut for the flat surface and also the round cylinder or square tubes or pipes. Okay, you can have a look. Please enjoy the working video of this machine. Right now, it start working, okay? Well, a very complicated design, yeah, very complicated. With very small, many small parts composed. HB International. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, hello, my dear friend. So please remember to follow us. Yeah, please follow. Click the follow button to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Yeah, very big pipe, very big tubes cutting. Yeah, so this machine, it can not only for works for the flat plate cutting, but also on those tubes. Yeah, tubes, the square or the round tubes cutting. Yeah, it's really very multifunctional. Okay. Yeah, so this model is for both the round or the for the pipes and the flat cutting. Well, for the last model is for only for the pipes cutting. Okay, pipes cutting. This one. Yeah, with this rotary fixture there, you can see. Yeah, this is the Dsp controller. Well, this is the working process of this model. Hello, Kenny. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. So right now we are introducing the 5 laser cutting machine. This model is mainly used for round pipes or square pipes cutting, okay, for the pipes cutting. Yeah, so you can cut for different shapes, yeah, different shapes, different design there. Well, so this is the working video of this model. It can, it's mainly used for those, yeah, those tubes, such as those one with different diameters, yeah, smaller, big, and even bigger, and also, and it also works for those big diameters pipes cutting, yeah, and also for those smaller pipes cutting. Smaller one. Okay, very good machines here. Yeah, so these machines have a very good, very fast cutting speed, in fact, right? You can see it works very quick. Okay, so this is the round rotary types. Okay, so today I've introduced these 4 models for all of you. Yeah, first model PF6060, for another model PF3015 and PF3015B, and the last model is the PF2060. So my dear friend, which model is your interested model? Yeah. Which one do you like? Which one are you in need? Yeah. You can see this, all of those models. Yeah, you can cut for different thickness. Yeah, different thickness and different materials, and even for all kinds of metal materials. Yeah, very good for all kinds of designs. Are you interested in this kind of machine? Yeah, my dear friend, are you interested in this kind of machine? Well, you can see even for those very precise cutting, you can see I like this eyes very much, and also the feathers. Yeah, you can see it's very sharp, very small, mini part. Yeah, even for those very small parts, the fiber laser marking machine can have a very good cutting effect. That is really very good machine. And also I like the like button very much. I like that. This like big thumb up. I like this one very much. Yeah, it's like a like button. So my dear friend, please click the like button there. It's beside on your right side of your mobile phone. You can find there is a like button like this one. Yeah. So also you can see this one is also done by the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay. So right now this is all the introductions about these 4 models. Yeah. If you have any questions, please remember to tell me. Okay. And for all of our machines have got the ISO roll certificate. Yeah, and also we have got many other certificates to prove that our machines really have a very good quality. Okay, so right now I would like to share some of our certificates for all of you. Okay, the first one is the CE certificate. Okay, you can have a look. This is the CE certificate. Okay, and also the role certificate, roles. Yeah, the role certificate. Okay, so the CE role certificate, it means that our machines comply with the European standard. Yeah, so it's really very safe to buy from us. And also we have the golden supplier certificate. You can see this is the golden supplier certificate. Yeah, and also this is verified by the SGS company. SGS. Well, as we know, the SGS is a well-known international inspection institute. So through SGS verified, you really have no worry to buy from us. Yeah, and also, my dear friend, yeah, please remember to follow us. Yeah, please remember to follow us by clicking the follow button there. You can find there is a follow button upside your mobile phone. Okay, so please click it, and then you can find us very easily next time, and you will not miss our live show for more machines. And also in near future, we will hold some other live shows. At that time, you can see the real machines, all of those real machines, which I have introduced. Yeah, live shows, and all of those machines works on the real samples. Yeah. Okay, and also please give us likes at the right side button. Okay, right side button. Thanks very much. Okay. So my dear friend, right now I've finished all the introduction for all those 4 models about the for our fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah. If you still have any questions, please hurry up to catch the chance to ask me. And also I'm very glad, I'm very happy, and I'm very willing to discuss based on your questions. Okay. Yeah, thanks very much. Yeah, okay. So my dear friend, if you do not have any more questions, yeah, so I'm gonna leave right now. Yeah, so how time flies, our live show almost going to the end. Thanks very much for watching, and thanks very much for your time with us. And I hope you can get some understanding, and after my introduction about the machines, and also you can also visit our website for more working video and more introduction and more information about our machines. And also at last, please remember to click the follow button there to subscribe our channel, so that you can find us very easily next time. And I hope to see you soon. Okay. And also, yeah, at last, thanks very much. Thanks again for your time, and thanks again for your watching. Okay, I hope to see you soon. Okay. And if you have any of your questions and any of your ideas, any of your inquiries, please feel free to contact us anytime. Yeah, we are always online and waiting for all of your ideas, waiting for any of your questions, waiting for any of your inquiries. Okay. So my dear friend, see you next time. So much for today. Bye bye.